Hello everyone, welcome to English Teacher Education. I am Vlerim. In today's short English lesson, I'm going to teach you the differences between the present simple tense and the present continuous tense. Students may occasionally become confused about when to use each. The present simple is used to discuss general truths, repeated actions, instructions, or defined future plans. For example, a general truth is Jordan Knight is a singer. A repeated activities or a habit is I mop the floor every week. It can also use for instructions. For example, you go down the street to the market, then turn left. It is used for fixed established plans for the future. For example, the plane arrives at 8 tomorrow morning. Now let's talk about the present continuous tense. Everyone is aware we form the present continuous by using the verb to be am or is based on the subject plus base of the verb plus ing. For example, I'm teaching a new short lesson. The present continuous is then used to talk about a new habit. For example, I'm eating a lot of sweets these days, meaning I didn't used to eat a lot, but now I am. Afterwards, we discuss plans for the future using the present continuous, but we need time expressions. For example, I'm leaving tomorrow. That was a brief overview of the key distinguish between the present simple and the present continuous tense. Oh, just one more thing. Like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to watch more short English lessons. Bye!